Alright, what's up guys? This is Little C coming back at you again with another video. Today, I've got some Donruss. I have what I believe is a hot pack. Not sure, it's pretty thick. And a blaster. Can't wait to get into this. We saw it while we were at Dick's Sporting Goods. We were rolling through there and we saw they had a great deal. This was only 12 bucks and this was only one or two. So, without further ado, let's get crack-a-lackin'. Alright, so this is the hot pack, or I think is a hot pack, but we will see. Let me open it really quick. Wait, let me see really quick if I can get it. Alright, got it. Alrighty. Let me get into this. Alright, so we shall see. There's definitely a thick card. Landon Collins, C.J. Anderson, Luke Kuechly, Delaney Walker. Yeah, it's just a dummy. Kind of figured that out a while ago, but it's okay. Delaney Walker, Joey Bosa, Jarvis Landry. This is actually really cool. Okay. Gridiron Kings, Brett Favre. Not numbered or anything, but really cool card. And Jared Davis. Alrighty, so here's the blaster. Comes with 11 rated rookies per box. And one exclusive memorabilia card. So let's get ripping. Alrighty. So there's one exclusive memorabilia card in here. Spin her up and we get 11 packs. 11 packs. Alrighty. 11 packs, there's the box. So let's get opening. First pack of the break, or of the box. Okay, we got Walter Payton, Paul Perkins, Chris Harris, Austin Hooper, Quincy Anua, Tyler Eifert, Riley Rolfe, and James Conner, rookie, or rated rookie. So we got another pack. We've got Jesse James, Aaron Rodgers, Tyrod Taylor, Jadeveon Clowney, Deshaun Jackson, Hunter Henry, and Aaron Jones. Next pack. Alrighty. Cliff Arbuckle, Tom Brady, Calvin Johnson, Jameson Crowder, Eric Berry, Carson Palmer, Ryan Tannehill, and Jeremy McNichols, rated rookie. Next pack, yes, this is the patch there, so. Alrighty, so we got Ted Bruschi, Mike Lennon, Julius Peppers, Tyrell Poyer, Jerry Rice, Tavon Austin, Boomer Esiason, and John Ross. Devon Harrison. Ooh, Aqib Talib. Eric Walden. Deion Sanders. Matt Forte. Yes. Mark Ingram. Salute to Service. Blake Bortles. And another Jaguar. That's the patch. Ryan Shazier, Randall Cobb, Doug Baldwin, LaShawn McCoy, Jared Cook, CJ Jefferson Winston, and Wayne Goldman. Alright, so we got 4 more packs before we get to the patch. Jordy Nelson, Bobby Wagner, Powell, Sammy Watkins, Tajay Sharp, coming up on a cool card here. Doug Martin. Ooh, sick! The Elite Series Le'Veon Bell. That's sick. Oh gosh, that's awesome. Not numbered, but sick card. Check that out. The Elite Series Le'Veon Bell. That's cool. That's sick. Alright, here we go. Next pack. Danny Amendola, Terrence Williams, Alshon Jeffrey, Joe Themis, Keenan Allen, David Johnson, and Taco Charton. Alrighty, let's see. Okay, we got Jim Zorn, Eric Barrett, Terrell Suggs, Cameron Wake, James Collins, William Sneard. Ooh, another really cool card. We have Larry Fitzgerald. That's sick. Heroes, Team Heroes. And Patrick Mahomes. Alrighty, so last pack before we get to the patch card. Okay, we've got Gronk, Muhammad Wilkerson, Robbie, Eric Reed, Todd Gurley, and a press-proof Devin Funches. Red, not numbered, and Boki Hogues. So here's our patch card of the box. Let's hope it's coming good. Alrighty, so we're starting off with a Dak Prescott, Clay Matthews, Thomas Rawls, Joe Flacco, Joe Harrison. Alrighty. So this is Mark Bruell, Kevin King. Alrighty. Mitch Trubisky patch. That's awesome. Rookie threads. Mitch Trubisky. That's sick. That's good. He's doing pretty good, actually, I think. I believe so. Really good card there. Yeah, he's on the cover. So, do a little recap. We've got the Team Heroes, Larry Fitzgerald. The sick Elite Series, Le'Veon Bell. all the rated rookies: Patrick Mahomes, John Ross, Jerry McNichols, James Conner, and the Mitch Trubisky patch. Then good stack of base. And that will be it for this video. And I enjoyed that box. Happy to be crack-a-lackin' and keep crack-a-lackin'. Please check me out on my Instagram. #BringTopFootball back. Peace.